So if you run a local business, you probably have a complicated relationship with Yelp. For most of us, Yelp has always just felt like this chore, right? It's just one more thing on the to-do list, another profile to update, another set of reviews to chase down. But what if I told you that the rise of AI search is about to make that one platform that you've probably been ignoring, well, the single most critical tool you have? On one hand, you have the sheer annoyance of dealing with Yelp, and on the other, the absolute goal of getting more customers through the door. For years, that's been the trade-off. But what if that whole dynamic is about to change? Because a massive shift in how people find things online is flipping this entire equation on its head. And let's be real, even before AI was part of the conversation, Yelp was kind of this quiet giant. 2.5 million. That's not per year. That's how many people are on Yelp every single day looking for a business just like yours. That's a huge number we've all probably underestimated. But now, the power is about to go into overdrive. So this is where things get really interesting. You see, AI search isn't just a minor update. It's changing the entire path that customers take to find you. Think about it like this. For decades, Google has been a black box. We throw all our SEO tricks at it, just hoping something would stick. But we never really knew why one business ranked higher than another. Well, AI search is the complete opposite. It's not a black box, it's a glass box. You can literally ask it, hey, why did you show me that? And it will show you its work. And that transparency, that's the key to this whole thing, which of course leads us to the million-dollar question. When you ask AI for the best coffee shop near me, where on earth is it getting that information? What's its source of truth? Well, we decided we had to find out. So we ran a really simple experiment. We went straight to ChatGPT, asked it a totally normal question, and then we used that transparency to peek behind the curtain. And the prompt we used couldn't be more basic, nothing tricky at all, just best hardware store near me. It's the kind of search that happens millions of times a day for pretty much every type of local business you can imagine. And just like that, boom, the AI gives us a perfectly reasonable answer. You get a nice, clean list of 4 local hardware stores. Now, most people would just stop right there. They'd pick one and be on their way. But we didn't stop there. This is where we used that glass box idea. We asked the simple follow-up question that you could never really ask Google before. How did you choose? In AI's own words, and I'm quoting this directly from the response, Yelp did influence which name showed up since I used Yelp's top hardware stores list. When we asked for all of its sources, look what's at the top of the list, feeding its decision. Sure, it checks other places too, like official websites to make sure the business is, real. But that primary signal for what makes a business the best is coming straight from Yelp's reviews and rankings. So what does this actually mean for your business on a day-to-day basis? Let's connect the dots here, because this really changes how you need to think about being found online. It really just boils down to this simple 3-step reality. Number 1, your customers are using AI search more and more. Number 2, that AI is using Yelp to decide who's good, which leads directly to number 3, your visibility. Your ability to get found by those customers now depends directly on your Yelp presence. This is the single fastest growing way people are looking for things online, period. The future of search isn't coming, it's already here, and it's powered by AI. So what this means is that if you're ignoring Yelp, you now face a double penalty. As you can see here, first, you're totally invisible to the AI, so you lose there. But you also lose in regular Google search results, because those best of lists from Yelp almost always show up on the first page of results. You're effectively losing in both the present and the future of search. So all of this really leads to one simple critical question for you. Knowing what we know now, what's your next move? How are you going to make sure you actually show up where your customers are looking? The big takeaway here is this: we have to completely redefine what Yelp is in our marketing plan. It is no longer a nice to have, it's not a secondary priority you get to when you have time. An active, well-managed Yelp profile is absolutely essential, non-negotiable part of your strategy. So I'm gonna leave you with this final thought. The game is changing, and it's changing faster than ever. It's really no longer about whether you like using Yelp. The only question that truly matters now is the one on your screen. Is your business visible in the future of search? If you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and check out the links below to a ton of resources for you to help you grow your visibility. and grow your business in this new future of AI search. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you in the next video.